Hello. By this point, you should be starting to begin your research for your social analysis proposals. And one of the things I wanted to make sure that everybody realized they had access to was a wide range of journals and newspaper articles. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come here. This is our landing page for our course shell. Come to Library and Learning right here under Course Resources. Click that. There's quite a series of clicks to go through. I just want to make sure you see those. So we're on the main landing page for GenEd 500, and what I want to do is come down here to the Research Guide. I'm going to be looking for some articles. So what I'm going to do is to click on the link to articles. At the top here we have a whole variety of databases for scholarly journals. You're certainly free to use any of those. However, it's also quite typical that at the proposal stage that the selected article for summary that each of the students will pick will come from a newspaper. If so, this is a great place to access and to search newspapers. So I've clicked on newspaper press display. And here, basically, it takes you to the world's newspapers. I think there's 70, the countries are down the side here. I think it's 70 countries, newspapers from there. For our purposes, our social analysis problem is typically contextualized in Canada. And so the librarian's pick typically has the Toronto Star and or the National Post or the Globe and Mail. These are the three big newspapers for Canada, and accessing any of those would be, for most of the topics, would be a great way to sort of get started and get into the idea. And you can see, for example, the Toronto Star, when I click on it, the navigation is all here. This is today's newspaper. And you simply down below use these keys to navigate your way through the newspaper. It's very intuitive to use, and just wanted to make sure that everybody realized that you had access to those papers. If you do want to search for other newspapers, so you notice at the top we have this search bar and different methods of searching. The other thing is, once you're in a publication, searching within it, is typically pretty intuitive to figure out. So that's all I have for now. I just want to let you be sure that you were aware of that. Access these newspaper articles for your proposals. Each student a different article, and that's all. Thank you very much. Thanks for viewing. Bye.